Hey everybody, Dan Doiron here for Accessory, where we love talking all things gear and guitar. You know, those of you who know me will know that I'm a huge fan of these strings right here from Doiron, the NYXLs. It used to be that I didn't really pay a whole lot of attention to the strings that I put on my electric guitar especially. That was until these guys came along, and you know, their durability, the way that they stay in tune and their tone, I just can't play without them. But today I wanted to just talk to you about something brand new from Doiron, the all-new Power Chord Plus, which is a premium tour grade power cable with a little bit extra. So let's check it out. So how often does this happen to you at a gig? You show up, you plug your amp in, you go to another outlet where you have to plug in your pedals, and you turn everything on and you get that annoying ground hum. I can even make it happen in my apartment here. Well, this new piece that I just picked up from Doiron kind of solves that problem. It's very cool. It's called the Power Cable Plus. And the plus is, well, first of all, it's premium tour grade 12 gauge copper wire. You can see how much thicker it is than the regular cable that would come with your guitar amplifier. So you've got your IEC end, or the end that plugs into your amp, on this end. And the bonus, or the plus, and the thing that I was saying is a little extra, is that in addition to having that IEC cable, you also have an accessory plug-in. So you can see this joint here. So your amp plugs in here, your pedals plug in here, and at the other end, one outlet to plug everything in. And I tried it out and it works like crazy. We're going to check it out and let's see if we still get that annoying ground hum. Alright, so I've plugged in the Power Cable Plus. I plugged both my amplifier and my effects into the same outlet, and you can hear now that hands-free, that annoying ground hum is gone. Even when I switch on the overdrive, it's still dead quiet. So even with my hands off of the guitar. So pretty cool piece. I hope you get to check it out. It's called the Power Cable Plus from Doiron. And hey, if you want to stay in touch and always know when there's a new video coming out from Accessory, click that link below to stay in touch, and I will send you a free playlist of music from my last 4 albums. We'll see you next time on Accessory, where we're overdriven by guitar.